Good morning, dear students. Today we will start chapter 9, Q basic statements. In previous chapter we have learnt about what is Q basic and the different kinds of operators that are used to execute the program. In this unit we will learn about the different kinds of statements. Before proceeding, we should know about what the statement is. Instructions given to computer through keyboard is called statements or command in QBasic. Means whatever instruction is given to computer with the help of keyboard is known as statement. Here you can see each instruction in QBasic is called a statement. Statements perform different tasks. To communicate with the computer, a programming language has its specific keywords and system. Like programming language, QBasic has syntax rule. What is syntax? It is rule. Syntax is the way in which statement must be written. I hope you all have understood about statement. What is statements? Instruction that we feed to computer with the help of keyboard is called statement. And what is syntax? It is the way in which statement must be written. Okay. Now we will proceed the different kinds of statements in QBasic. Here you can see there are 4 types of statements. First is assignment statement or let statement. Assignment statement or let statement. Second is input statement. What is statement? Instruction that is fed to computer with the help of keyboard. Third is output statement or print statement. Okay. Fourth is RAM statement. Today we will learn about 2 types of statement, that is assignment statement or let statement, and the second one is input statement. So first is assignment statement or let statement. Let statement is also called assignment statement. Let statement is also known as assignment statement. Let statement is used to assign a value to a variable. What are variables? Variables are those quantities that never change during the execution of a program, whether it is a numeric variable or string variables. Variable चाहे आपके numeric variable हो या string variables हो, so they can't change. And what is let statement? It is used to assign a value to a variable. मतलब जो आपके वेरिएबल की जो वैल्यूज़ है इनको असाइन करने के लिए let statement is used. Syntax, here you can see example, line number, let, then variable name is equal to value or expression. We will understand this by example. Let A is equal to 25. Here you can see A is a variable because this is the quantity number. Okay, this is numeric variable. Okay, A is variable name, and 25 is the value. What is 25? It is the value. It assigns 25 as a value to a variable A. तो यहाँ पर क्या assign हो रहा है? That you can see 25 it assigns. It means let assigns 25 a value that is variable A. Let's understand let statement with another example. Here you can see let A. What is let A? Here A is variable name. Let A is equal to 25, and what is 25? It is a value. Assigns 25 to A. Okay. Let B 5. Assigns 5 to B. Here we are assigning 5 as a B. Then let C is equal to A into B. So calculate and store product. Here what we will do, we will multiply 25 into 5 or then print. See what will be its outcome. 25 into 5, let's solve it. 25 into 5. So what will be the product? The product will be 125. And how we will finish this program? We will end this program with end statement. When we use it when we want to end the program. Now next type of statement is input statement. What is input statement? It is used to accept data from the user, whether it is text or number, during the execution of a program, that is at runtime. Means what is input statement? It accepts data from the user. Who are the user? That is who is using the program. And the data can be in any form. It can be a text or it can be a number. Means when the program is running, that time input statement accept the data in the form of text or number from the user is known as input statement. It waits for the user to enter data and then it assigns the value to variable. What are variables? That do not change during the execution of program. It halts. What is the meaning of halt? Stop. It halts the screen until user enters data through keyboard. Means जब तक user कीबोर्ड के थ्रू डेटा एंटर नहीं करेगा, फॉर दैट ड्यूरेशन द स्क्रीन विल बी स्टॉप. वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस बाय एग्जाम्पल. हियर यू कैन सी input is written, then in double quotation mark it is written enter your age, then quotation mark is closed. And what will be its outcome? Print क्या है? Then quotation mark your age is, then आउटपुट विल बी, द प्रिंट विल बी योर एज. अब देखिए इसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा? एंटर योर एज. जहाँ पे डबल कोटेशन मार्क में था, नाउ द कोटेशन मार्क हैज़ रिमूव्ड, एंटर योर एज. एंड प्रिंट में क्या था? योर एज इज, सपोज योर एज इज 13, सो इट्स आउटपुट विल बी 13. सो योर एज इज 13. I hope you all have understood what is input statement. And in next class we will learn about the other two statements of QBasic. Thank you. Have a nice day.